Let's hear about your read on Facebook right now. What's going on there?
Well, it's fascinating today, the roundup of what the industry is measuring as word of mouth in terms of spend. I was really interested to find out if the recent announcement by Facebook that they consider a lot of what they've just announced as word of mouth. And that's straight out of the mouth of Zuckerberg. So as it stands today, that $1 billion estimate of spend against our industry does not include spend against Facebook or social networking specifically. I will and have made the case that, I believe what Facebook is saying, and I believe that building a community in Facebook is another great tactic to build word of mouth. So when you think about brands now rushing to create communities within Facebook and using media to recruit those communities, and then giving those communities the tools to create word of mouth, that entire process, the agencies that will do that, the media spend to recruit those fans, as they're calling them, and the ongoing efforts to create word of mouth and track the results of it, all that I think should go into our estimates for next year. And I think if we do, we're going to see another meteoric jump in what the spend will do this year, and really cast a little bit wider net of what we all consider word of mouth. The immediate play is to build the beachhead, right? I think P&G said they'll have, between P&G and Coke, they'll have 100 brand pages, very soon, if they don't already. Record labels and bands, they're all rushing in, as they did in MySpace, to create their place, their space. Most brands, most bands, most politicians will realize when they set up those islands that they need to create bridges to them, and the bridges will come through effective networking in the social networking sites, creative use of applications. Again, you really, the keys to success in Facebook and ultimately in MySpace are those notifications, the mini feeds. That's how things are spreading today. And so I think the play is build your community, think carefully about how you're going to recruit and gain fans, and then how are you going to activate them. And a lot of the disciplines in activating are going to be the ones that we've been using in word of mouth for the last few years. It's just a new place to do it, a new platform. And the exciting thing is you're doing it where people want to be. It's in their own community where they are, they have a trusted relationship. What can I tell you about the new venture? Well, we are just about to launch our new application for Facebook. So we developed an application called Gifts with Benefits, and the basic premise is that there will be over 100 million gifts, virtual gifts, given from person to person in Facebook this year. Those are basically really lame icons. They're a birthday cake or a congratulations. And our concept is to basically give value to those gifts. So you're actually giving a real world gift. So if you gift someone an icon from a brand, you can then redeem that icon through a code for a discount or some special offer from the brand. So it's our first foray into being an application maker on behalf of brands. Yeah, of course. Co-branded.